Here's how you can get rid of hiccups in seconds. You're gonna be in the standing position. You're gonna take a nice big inhale, hold your breath, and you're gonna bend over, and you can put your hands on your thighs to support yourself, and you're gonna maintain that breath hold for about 20 to 30 seconds. And once you get there, you're gonna do a nice slow exhale and come on up. And at that time, your hiccups should be gone. Now, how does this work? Well, I don't know. This isn't something I learned through physical therapy. This is actually something my dad showed me when I was growing up, and I've been doing it ever since. And as far as I can remember, it has never failed me. So give it a try.